Money is always moving. Are you controlling it, or is it controlling you? Today, we're exploring research-backed strategies to master your cash flow. It's not just about making money, but making it work for you. Let's dive in. To control your money, understand its language, income, and expenses. Income includes your paycheck, freelance work, any money coming in. But your expenses? That's where it gets tricky. Your non-negotiables, rent, mortgage, car payments. They stay the same every month. The wild card, groceries, gas, entertainment. They change, so tracking is key. Use apps like in-app or Mint to know where your money's going. Tracking expenses can help save up to 10% more per month, according to a study by the National Endowment for Financial Education. Treat it like a financial health check. Think of money as a pie to slice. Needs, wants, and goals. Needs are essentials like housing, food, transportation. Wants are lifestyle choices, and goals are for your future. 50% of your income goes to essentials, not to be confused with wants. Cap at 30%. Lifestyle inflation is real. Ask, does this align with my goals? The remaining 20% is for saving, debt repayment, and investing. Build wealth for the long term. Experts like Dave Ramsey recommend an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. Be ready for life's curveballs. Budgeting is your game plan. Start by setting a budget for every expense category: groceries, transport, entertainment. Stick to it by automating your finances. Auto transfer savings and bills. When your paycheck hits, direct a portion to savings and investments automatically. Track your spending weekly to catch overspending early before it snowballs. Automating savings increases saving consistency by 20%, according to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. One income stream is good, but more is better. Diversifying income gives you financial security. Whether it's a side hustle, freelance work, or investments, aim for multiple streams. Your main job, or any work where you trade time for money. But add more: freelance, consulting, offering services, investments like stocks, real estate, or YouTube content that earns even when you aren't working. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, stresses this is key to financial independence. Credit is a tool, powerful if used wisely, risky if not. Your credit score impacts everything from loans to rentals. Pay on time, pay in full, and keep your balances low. Keep usage under 30%. A low balance boosts your score. Paying off cards monthly builds a positive credit history and avoids interest fees. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. On-time payments are vital. Saving is great, investing is better. Thanks to compound interest, money today grows exponentially over time. Even small investments early on can build significant wealth. Compounding means your interest earns interest. Start investing regularly. Maximize employer-matched accounts like 401(k)s. IRAs and Roth IRAs are great for tax advantages. Vanguard's research shows long-term investments in index funds tend to outperform. Consistent investing pays off. Mastering cash flow is about freedom, living life on your terms. Build healthy habits, control your cash, and live the life you want. Subscribe for more tips on mastering your money flow